So folks, here we are in early morning hours with the Liqui Moly engine flush, about to head to the mechanic. And one thing I do before I get my oil changed is I've used this product for a number of years, and the mechanic, he's a big fan of it as well. Pretty easy. You just add it to your engine oil before you get your oil change. Let the engine idle for 10 to 15 minutes. And this product helps kind of bind with the oil there and pull a lot of the contaminants and sludge and stuff like that kind of into the oil, so that whenever you drain the oil out, you get rid of all that garbage out with the oil change. And as the mechanic says, it works pretty well. So we're going to go ahead. It's very easy to use. I'll show you real quick. So pretty simple. We're just going to add it here to where the engine oil goes, and we'll just pour the whole can in. So folks, we're just going to let the engine idle here for 10 to 15 minutes and just take it to the mechanic and let them drain the oil. But pretty simple product to use. You can always have your mechanic do it as well. But I've been using it now for a couple years, been very happy with it. And especially with the high mileage that I have on my engine, seems to work pretty well, keeping the engine running smoothly. So definitely check this out, folks, and have a good day.